Hey guys, it's YourDiviGuy here. So here you'll see a portfolio module, and basically if you want to add any custom information to your portfolio, you can see that it's not possible by default. So if you go to your portfolio content settings, you can see elements where you can see content where you can see, well, you know what all of this does. You can limit the post count, and here you can show whether title is being displayed or not, show categories, and so on and so on. So there's no options by default to add any custom information to your portfolio module. Now, in order to do so, this is a little bit complicated because it involves child teams and, well, basically one child team, and adjusting the portfolio PHP file. And of course, additional plugin is needed to handle those custom fields. I'll use advanced custom field, of course. So without further ado, let's start. I'll try to make this as quick and as simple as possible. So first we need to download DiviChild theme. Elegant Themes has a great article on this, provides many useful information. However, to make this shorter, I'll just download, I think I use this one. I already have this thing downloaded, so I won't click it again, but just so you can see which theme I used. And if you go to your file manager, you can upload your theme here. And of course, extract it. Boom shakalaka. Now, in order for child theme to work, you need style CSS, functions PHP, so we can delete the rest of it. Although I'll leave this screenshot here since I think it appearance uses it as a thumbnail for a theme, and I don't want a blank. You'll see it here. So this is the thumbnail used for a DiviChild theme. And never mind this. Now, when you go to your parent theme, you'll see that in inside includes, inside builder, and inside module, all of the module PHP files are listed. So we need to override the portfolio PHP, of course. I copied it, and once I go to my child theme, I need to create a file called includes folder, and paste this file here. Now, Elegant Themes has some steps which you need to take in order to make sure this file is not affected by any of the updates. So I'll just quickly go through them. You should rename your file here. I added custom dash, so portfolio PHP, custom dash portfolio. And in this file, so when you edit it, you need to change the class name. So here's what Elegant Themes suggested. I think you can, you can add anything here, just make sure it's used later on correctly. You need to turn this off and save it. And while we're here, you need to add the following code to your function PHP in your child theme. Make sure that the file is correctly named here. So I renamed my portfolio file to custom dash portfolio. Make sure whatever you name your file, make sure it's the same as here. I'm always having doubts whether this plugin saved my change or not. So let's go to appearance and activate our child theme. Okay, it's already activated, sorry. I probably did not refresh the page. Never mind. So we have our portfolio here, and if we go to file manager and edit our custom portfolio module, custom portfolio PHP file, we can see that this particular post and any of the posts listed in the portfolio module is being displayed somewhere around 630th line, something like, I think it's 632. Yeah, so you can see this div, this HTML element, which is the same as once you inspect the element, a particular post, single post on this page. So you can, for example, add a custom class here, like blah blah blah, and save it, and you'll see that all of the posts will be changed so that they have additional class here. Now, if you want to, for example, add your information beneath the title, you need to find where the title is being printed. So let's do that. You can see that the title is being displayed here, somewhere here. Yeah, here's title. And as soon as this div is closed, which is here, before closing this div tag, you can add any text to your single portfolio or single project, which will be visible somewhere here. So if you refresh the page, you'll see the text I added. Now this text, of course, needs to be something meaningful. So let's go and activate our advanced custom field module. Is it advanced or ACF? I think, yeah, ACF will do. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Of course, make sure the plugin is activated. Now, when you go to your projects, oh, rather, when you go to your custom fields, you can add a new field group. So I'll name it to something like pro information, and I'll add a field. This will be a simple text field, for example, author or something like that, author. Okay, make sure you don't have any empty spaces because it automatically added a slash there. So okay, and now we need to make sure that this field is only applied to your project. So post type equal to project, and of course we can save it. And once we go to our project, any of the project, we'll see an additional field in your dashboard. So there it is. So this is project 2. I'll add some name like John Smith 2, just to make sure it's the same as project 2, so we can see the difference later on. And if I added the project 1, I'll add John Smith 1, for example. Now these fields need to be printed instead of this ASD and so on and so on. If we go to where we firstly written this, you can see basically you can go to the ACF website, and they in brief details explain how you can paste any of their custom fields to your page, either by using a shortcode or implementing a PHP, which I'll do now. So you can type printing a field in ACF or something like that. So you can use the field or get field if you want more data on that field, but let's not dwell on it now. You can just copy this here, for example, and you can paste it instead of the text you added. And make sure that this field is, this text is actually named as your field. So we name it author. And if we save it, here the author field should be displayed instead of this sample text, and voila. Of course you can change the tags, you can add classes, so you can easily style these additional information you added to your portfolio module. I hope this helped you guys. Feel free to use it and let me know how that went. Bye.